In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap PowerPoint text. This skill is quite handy for anyone looking to polish their presentation and make the text within shapes and text boxes look neat and professional. Whether you're pulling together a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, mastering text wrapping in PowerPoint can give your slides that extra edge of clarity and visual appeal. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. It's usually found within your computer's list of programs or apps. Once you've located PowerPoint, click to open it. This will either bring you to a welcome screen where you can select a recent document or create a new one, or it might open straight to a blank presentation depending on how you have PowerPoint set up. Assuming you're looking to add text wrapping to an existing presentation, your next step is to open your file from the opening screen. If you see a list of recent documents, you can click on your desired file from there. If your document isn't listed, click on Open Other Presentations to browse your computer's file directory for the file you need. Once you've found your file, click on it to open it in PowerPoint. Having opened your PowerPoint file, now is the time to select the shape or text box whose text you wish to wrap. Shapes and text boxes are the containers for your text in a PowerPoint slide, and they can be resized and styled in various ways. To start the text wrapping process, move your cursor over the border of the shape or text box that contains the text you want to format. Once your cursor is correctly placed, right-click on the border. A menu will appear with several options. From this right-click menu, you're going to want to select Format Shape. This will open a new pane on the right side of your PowerPoint window that contains various formatting options. This pane allows you to fine-tune the appearance of your selected shape or text box, including its fill, outline, and, of course, its text options. Within the Format Shape pane, look for a category labelled Size and Properties. This section will provide you with more specific options on how the text interacts with the shape or text box. Click on it to expand and see what it offers. After opening Size and Properties, your next step is to find the Text Box drop-down. This drop-down contains the settings that control how text is displayed within a shape or text box, including alignment, spacing, and text wrapping. Click on it to access these options. Within the text box options, you're looking for Resize Shape to Fit Text. Selecting this option ensures that your shape or text box will automatically adjust to accommodate the amount of text you have, preventing text from overflowing and ensuring that it remains fully visible. The next option you should ensure is selected is Wrap Text in Shape. This setting is crucial for achieving the effect we're after. When Wrap Text in Shape is activated, it allows your text to flow within the confines of your shape or text box, filling the space efficiently and making adjustments as needed when you add more text or resize the container. These settings, when properly configured, ensure that your text looks polished and professional within your slides. With your text now wrapped neatly within its shape or box, your slides will not only look better, they'll be easier for your audience to read and understand. Remember, the beauty of PowerPoint presentations lies in their flexibility. You can always experiment with different shapes, text box sizes, and text alignments to find what works best for your specific slide's needs. And with the text wrapping skills you've learned today, you'll be one step closer to creating truly compelling presentations. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps anytime you need to wrap text in your upcoming PowerPoint projects. With a bit of practice, it will become second nature. Thank you for joining me today and happy presenting.